Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a full face of makeup using only Too Faced makeup products. So this is how it turned out. If you guys want to see the process, all of the products I used, my thoughts on the products, and all of that fun stuff, then just keep on watching. So here's the thing. I switched to a new brow product. I tried to go darker because my hair is darker and like I look crazy. So we're just gonna move on from that. I know it's bad. You know it's bad. Stop staring at my eyebrows. Just don't acknowledge it. It's fine. Okay? I understand. You understand. We're on the same page. So I have here a full face, well almost a full face of makeup from Too Faced. There's a couple of products that I do not own, which I will just be using something else, but for the most part I have a lot of stuff and I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. I like the idea of trying to challenge myself and do a full face using only one brand, because I love to use makeup from so many different brands and mixing and matching. Every brand has like different products that are really great, and I don't feel like there's one brand that has the best product of every single category, but I do have a lot of Too Faced makeup and I genuinely enjoy like every product that I have here. So I've never tried using all of it at once on my face. So that is what we are going to do today, aside from brows, which we're not going to address it. As I said, I don't have any brow products from Too Faced, but I do believe they carry a couple of pencils and like a tinted brow gel. I just don't own it. Okay, so we are going to start with the eyes, and I have my fave, the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Swan, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyelid. So I have a really nice eyeshadow base, and I have two palettes here from Too Faced, which I have not picked up in a very long time. So I feel like this video is a good reminder to me of some products that I have that I haven't really been using. So this is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. And this one is so beautiful. I honestly love the colors in this. Like, it has some really good neutrals, warm tones, some of my favorites. So I love this, but I think that I'm mainly just gonna stick to the OG, the original Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, which both of these, they smell so good. I'm wearing this shirt that has kind of like the peachy and purple tones, so I definitely want to go for that type of a vibe. So I'm just going to start with the shade Candied Peach, and I'm going to use just a big fluffy blending brush, and we're just going to blend that into the crease. Ooh, she's pigmented. I forgot. I am just going in with this shade, just really packing it on, blending it out, layering it up, because I want it to be very visible. Okay, now we are super blended, and I freaking love this. I don't know why I forgot about this palette. The next shade that I'm going to use is called Delectable. It's like a deep matte purple. So this deep matte purple, I think this will look super good. Just kind of blend that into the outer corner. So packing that on the outer corner and just diffusing it into that peach color. Ooh, that just made it like nice and smoky. I'm gonna go back in with the peach shade and kind of blend out around the edges. All right, now we have a beautiful gradient blended eye. I'm gonna quickly cut the crease using that same concealer. Okay, so I cut the crease. I'm just blending out that purple color. Now I'm going to use the shade Luscious, and this is a beautiful shimmer. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm gonna use that right over where I cut the crease and just pack that color on. You guys, this shimmer used to be like my favorite color ever. I was obsessed with this shimmer. I'm excited to use this color again. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Yes, it's so pretty. And I want to let you guys know I didn't even wet the brush and it is that gorgeous. Okay, so we're looking really crazy right now and it's about to get even crazier. I have this liquid glitter eyeliner and it is a beautiful purple color, so this is just gonna add so much more of a pop and some fun to the look. This is in the shade Fairy Queen. And I'm just gonna draw like a little thin line where I cut the crease to add just more fun. We need to add some fun to the look. So we gotta add glitter, you know. Be very careful when doing this and take it very slow. Okay, so now we have our glitter, which I think looks so cute. I am going to pop on some liquid liner and I am using a Too Faced liquid liner, which I don't remember if I like this or not, so I'm a little bit scared. I'm probably gonna pop this on off camera just because I'm so bad at doing wing liner on camera. So I'm gonna do some of this liquid liner. I will let you guys know my thoughts when I get back. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and all of that, and then we're gonna finish off the rest of the face. Okay, you guys, liner is on, lashes are on. I think it looks really nice. My thoughts on the liner is that it was pretty easy to work with. I did have to go in with Q-tips to fix my liner. That's just because I don't do liquid liner as often, and when I do, it's kind of a big struggle. But yeah, I popped on these lashes are from Tarte and they are called the Go-To lashes. You guys probably saw them in my lash haul try-on video. If you watched that, I love them. They are not Too Faced. I don't believe Too Faced carries a pair of lashes. I don't think so. But the liner is good. I like it. The one complaint is it doesn't dry down matte. It has a little bit of a shine to it, but whatever. As you guys can tell, I'm talking very, very fast because here's the thing. I have to get to work very soon, so I have 20 minutes to finish up this video. So we are gonna go in with Too Faced Primed and Peachy. This is a matte primer. I've never used this before, but everyone tells me that they love it. So we're just gonna put it all over my face. I am not a big primer person. I hate primers. I feel like it makes my makeup look worse, but I've had this primer a long time. I haven't tried it, so. Ooh, it's super tacky. It's really tacky. That's good. I might like this. I feel like if a primer's tacky, that means your foundation's just gonna stick. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, we're gonna go in with foundation and I'm going to be mixing the Too Faced Born This Way foundation with the Peach Perfect foundation. I'm gonna do a pump and a half of this and then a pump and a half of the other one. I am in the shade Swan in this and then the shade Snow in this one. And I honestly could be either or shade, like I can get away with either of them. But okay, my thoughts on these foundations. I love the Born This Way. It's actually one of my favorite foundations. I feel like it looks so beautiful. It wears really well. The formula is fantastic. My issue with the Peach Perfect, it separates on me throughout the day. It doesn't look that great. I hate how fragranced it is. Like, I love the smell of it, but I feel like it's so unnecessary to add that much fragrance. You know what I mean? So in that case, like, I feel like it breaks me out. This one, I don't think it breaks me out, but this one I feel like it does. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. I have a lot left. I probably only used it total of 4 times, but when I do want to use it, I will mix it with this one because they're the perfect combination, and actually you guys can see it makes my skin look beautiful. Oh, I think I like this primer. This is actually really nice. Ooh, yeah, but this combination, like when you mix them together, it's the perfect finish. Like, gives really, really good coverage, really natural finish. But if you guys are trying to decide between the two, I would definitely go Born This Way. I feel like it's really good for all skin types, especially if you're dry, because you can get that full coverage look without being like super cakey, because it is more of a hydrating formula. This one is more matte, but I feel like if you're super oily, it does separate throughout the day, like around the nose area. At least on me it did. I don't know, what are your guys' thoughts on these two? I mean, I do like the peachy scent, don't get me wrong, but do you guys feel the same way where it's like, why is there an added fragrance? Like, it's so unnecessary. Okay, I'm gonna go in with concealer, Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. Boom. I honestly love this concealer. I feel like it's a nourishing version of the Shape Tape, but to be honest, I feel like it creases on me a little bit more than Shape Tape, so just really going with a setting powder, which, you guys, I don't have a setting powder from Too Faced. I'm sad about it. But the thing is, I'm just gonna use something else, like just to set real quick, because these under eyes need a setting powder. Too Faced does have a setting powder that I really, really love. They're like translucent. I think it's like called the Ethereal Loose Setting Powder and Translucent. They have 3 different shades, but that one is so beautiful. It gives a beautiful glow to the skin. I just don't have it, so I'm gonna use something else. This concealer is so good. My under eyes like need this. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use a different setting powder that's not Too Faced. I'll be back. Okay, I actually think my foundation looks really, really good and flawless. I'm really enjoying it. So now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer slash contour, and this is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is the perfect undertone if you want to use it as like a contour as well. It smells like chocolate. It smells amazing. So we're just gonna go in and chisel out these cheeks. This is actually my first time using this on myself. I've used this on clients and I really like it, and I know it's very popular. Okay, wait, why does this look exactly like my butter bronzer? I kind of love this. Okay, maybe this is like a new favorite. I don't know. Literally, this is my first time ever putting this on my own face. I really like that. You guys are probably like, oh my god, you look orange. You know we love an orange queen. You guys, I have 10 minutes right now. Bronze, 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 bronze. Okay, so now we're gonna highlight the face. This one is, okay, I don't even know what this highlighter is called because it literally doesn't have a name for it anywhere, but it's really pretty. It's like one of those iridescent kind of like bluey green highlighters, which I don't know if that goes with the look, but it's the only Too Faced highlighter that I have. So we're gonna use it. Ooh, that's fun. You know what? That kind of ties in with the eyeliner, so it's kind of cute. Kind of like a cute little iridescent moment. Ooh, that's a little crazy. Tone it down, tone it down, tone it down, tone it down. Okay, that's why I did that before the blush. Now, I have this blush from the Frutti Tutti collection. It is called Fruit Cocktail Pomegranate. Ooh, that's gonna kind of tie in with like the purple liner a bit. I'm just gonna try mixing these. And then I'm going to go in very light-handed because this looks hella pigmented. Oh yeah, she's pigmented. This one has like sparkles in it. I don't think I've used this before either. It's really cute. Like, that's bright, but you guys know I love like a pop. This smells amazing. Okay, that's the one thing too. Like, everything from Too Faced smells really freaking good. Oh! Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, you guys, I need to do the under eyes like super quick, and I'm gonna go in with this same dark purple shade, and we're just gonna smoke that under the bottom lash line real quick using like a little smudger brush. I have been working more and I haven't had as much time to film lately, but I still have been like so inspired, and I want to make sure I'm getting videos up. So I'm like, oh my god, I have to film before work. And usually I like to give myself literally all day to film because I take forever, but I give myself literally an hour to film this. Gotta highlight the inner corners. Highlighting the brow bone, yes, that makes a huge difference. It's like the little details that just make the biggest pop, and I'm just like, oh my god. I actually love this highlighter. It's like a weird, like kind of like a bluey white lavender duochrome type of a highlighter, but it's really pretty. My eyebrows are starting to calm down as I add more drama to the look. And okay, let's finish up with the lips, and I have a very nude lipstick. This one is in the shade Skinny Dip. I forgot about this formula. It's actually so good. I really like it. It's like super hydrating. I feel like this look would have looked better with like a purple, but I don't have a purple lip from Too Faced. So I'm gonna go in with this lip injection extreme because I want those super like big Instagram lips. And this will just make my lips really big. Hold on, you guys. I'm gonna be right back with like the full on like finished moment. Alright, you guys, so I finished up with some little finishing touches off camera, and this is my full face using mostly almost all Too Faced makeup products, and I feel like it came together really beautifully. I feel like it is true that if you use products from the same brand, they are kind of made to blend very nicely together and work really well together, and I feel like this was very true today. The foundation and concealer I already knew like blended in together beautifully, but I actually really loved the peach primer that I haven't tried before. I'm so glad that I picked up this eyeshadow palette again because I forgot how much that I love it. The liner was pretty nice as well, and even this blush bronzer highlight combination, like I was not expecting it to all go together as well as it does, but I feel really beautiful, and I definitely want to test this out with some more brands. So give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you liked it. Make sure you are subscribed. Join my little family here, and hit the bell, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know what full face brand you want me to do next. I think Anastasia would be a really good one. I definitely think I could do that. Please let me know, and I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye!